everyone, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video because I am using the Daisypalette palette times BH Cosmetics. You guys, look at this beauty right here. I know you guys have probably seen it a million times, but honestly, I can't get enough of it. Now, I do have the little lid that comes with it, but got a little makeup on it because, you know, I already did this makeup look. But I feel like this palette, it is such a unique palette, you guys. Like, look at the color on the palette. Look at the little bow. Like, it comes off like this. I mean, it's just phenomenal. I feel like this is such a great idea. I mean, like, look at that. That is so cute. I can't. But yeah, so this is the makeup look that I created with this palette, you guys. It is very, very vibrant, very spring, very summer. I just absolutely love it so much, and I cannot wait to film another video using this palette because when I was making this video, I kind of got more ideas in my head. My noggin just kept going. But yeah, so if you guys want to go ahead and see how I created this bright summery look, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started now. One thing I am going to say is that when I got this package, I did not think it was going to come this way, honestly. Like, look what it came in. Like, isn't this so cool? Honestly, I don't think no other makeup brand has, like, packaged their stuff like this. Like, it's an actual, like, bag. Like, I feel like this would be such a great bag to travel with, obviously to protect your palette. And it's such a good size. Like, look at this. I know it's not the size of the palette, but I love this. I'm literally going to take this when I go out of town because this comes in very, very handy. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into it now. I already did my brows, you guys. I haven't primed my eyes yet, which I will in a second. But I'm so excited to start using this palette. Like, when I first saw the palette come out and I saw the little sneak peeks of it, I just thought, like, oh my god, that is such a unique palette. Like, I don't know, I've never seen anything like this. I mean, I've always seen, like, the all warm tone palettes and then all the cool tone palettes, and I've seen, like, all the colorful palettes. But I feel like this one is just, it's something new. I don't know, I just loved how it, like, the shades and all that in there. So I'm so excited to try this out. Alright, so it does come with a little pamphlet right here. BH Cosmetics. Nothing really on the palette. So I'll put that away. And now here she is. Woo! Yeah, I've seen so many like people with this palette already, but I'm just excited to try it, you guys. Like, let me see. I haven't even opened it. Like, honestly. Alright, so here is the actual palette, you guys. I feel like this color is everything. It is such a cute little design here. And then, obviously, you guys have seen that this is a magnetic. So you just go ahead and put it on like that. And then you take it off. And then it does have a little cover sheet here to protect the shadows, which is not coming off. There you go. Alright, and then here is the palette. Like, look at that. I just feel like those colors are like everything, honestly. Oh, such a cute palette right here. Now, you guys already know that this actually sits on the actual palette here to make your own little vanity, which is so cool. I've never ever, like, you guys, tell me what palette has done this. Like, tell me, because I have never seen this before, and I feel like this is brilliant. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I primed my eyelids already, and I used the Soft Ochre by MAC Paint Pot. So, first shade that I'm going to go in with, I'm not even going to set my, whatchamacallit, my primer. I'm just going to let it be. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Flower, which is this yellow shade right here in the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my, not on my crease, but right above my crease. And I'm actually going to use this little mirror right here because it comes in very, very handy. There goes the first yellow shade on my upper crease, or above my crease. And then I'm going to go in with a much more precise brush. Which one do I want to go in with? I'll use a little one like this. Okay, so I'll go in with an e.l.f. crease brush. And then the next color that I'm going to go in with is the color Karma, which is this amazing, beautiful, like, bright orangey red. Oh, I love that color. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my actual crease, and then just a little bit above, just so it blends with that yellow shade. And I'm going to go in little by little. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I builded up that Karma color up. Now I am loving it. Alright, so now for my actual inner lid, I kind of want to do something darker than the outer V. But I am going to go in with the color Slime. I don't know, this color right here, I don't have anything like it in my collection actually. It's like really what the name says. It's like a slime color. So I'm going to go ahead and grab Royal and Lane Nickel. I can never say that. And it's in BX80. It's just like a flat shader brush. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it without any Fix Plus at first. And I just want to see the pigmentation on this. Okay, the pigmentation is there definitely. But I feel like with a little bit of Fix Plus, obviously it'll, you know, be much vibrant. Okay, so that's what it looks like without any Fix Plus. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab just a little bit. Let me get that. Alright, so I went ahead and I applied some on my brush. And I'm going to go ahead and spritz this a little bit. And now we'll see the true colors. Okay, that definitely made such a huge difference. So I love how it looks. I love this shade, you guys. Like, look how vibrant and green that is. Oh, I just think it's so nice. Yeah, that is definitely such an eye-popping color. I absolutely love it. Alright, so there goes that slime green color, which I am absolutely like in love with. Like I said, I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I love this color. Okay, so now for the outer V, I'm actually gonna go in with the color, there's Bittersweet and then Passion Fruit, but actually I like Passion Fruit a little bit better. Now Bittersweet is a little bit more deeper, so I kind of want to go in with Passion Fruit and just put that in the outer V of the eye. And then I'm slowly, okay, sorry, I had to move my mirror on the other side. I'm slowly going to pack this color in the corner here. Alright, so there goes the outer color there. So what I'm going to do is I'll be right back actually. I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face makeup. I don't have anything on, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, my concealer, and then I'll come back to finish up the eyes. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I applied my foundation, my bronzer, my highlighter, my blush. All of that will be listed down below so you guys know what I used. So now to finish up my eyeshadow, I am going to go in with the color Passion Fruit, which is this color right here. And I'm going to use this little brush here by DaisyXBhcosmetics. And I'm going to apply that very, very close to the waterline, as close as I can. Very close to here. So I'm kind of like connecting the top shadow with the bottom. Alright, and then going in with a much fluffier brush, I'm going to go in with this Equal Tools Accent Shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Karma, which is that bright orangey red shadow in the palette here. And I'm just going to put that underneath, and I'm just going to diffuse that, just blend that out. Alright, and now for the inner corner, I am going to go in with the color Icy right here, which is that white shade in the palette. And I'm actually going to place that right in the inner corner, and I'm going to drag it out towards the inside, or on the bottom of the waterline. Just like that. Ooh, that is such an icy color. Just how the name says it, it's very icy. Alright, and for my actual waterline, I do want to go in with this eye pencil by Mally. and it is in the color Ice Blue. It is such like a vibrant blue, you guys. Look at that. It's like such a nice color right there. Sorry, I had swatched like other ones, but I want to go in with this one. I feel like it'll tie in with that icy color. So I'm just going to apply this in my waterline. Okay, so that color really didn't show up. I think it's more pigmented once it's swatched, but it's fine. It is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and go off of camera and apply my lashes and do my mascara and all that. And then I will be right back to go ahead and finish up the video. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished look. And you guys, I am absolutely in love with this eye makeup. It's just very vibrant, very spring, very summer, very juicy. I absolutely love how it came out. I mean, I did not have any trouble blending out the shadows. The only thing I am going to say is that that slime shade, it is a little bit powdery, so I did have to clean off the bottom of my cheek here, or on top of my cheek underneath my eye. I had to, you know, kind of clean it off here. But other than that, I have no complaints whatsoever. Sorry, I keep looking at myself here. And I did end up using a different lip line, or not lip liner, but eyeliner on the bottom here. This was the ColourPop in Teaspoon. Yeah, it's like a green one. Because I tried using the other one, but it didn't really show up. But yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like. I am in love with this palette. I love it so much. So when I was in the middle of doing my eyeshadow, I kind of came up with a different idea of what I kind of want to do. So let me know down below if you guys want me to do that makeup or that look that I have in mind using this palette again, because this is absolutely amazing, you guys. And the best part of everything is that this is so affordable. Now, I did get it when it was in the first day it came out, which was like $19, I think. Now I believe it's $23, but honestly, that is still such a cheap palette for the quality of it. Now, like I said, I do want to go ahead and dip more into different colors in here, so there may be another video coming with this eyeshadow palette. So, alright, you guys, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. And, of course, if you guys did like it, please give it a huge thumbs up. And, of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.